Good morning, children. Welcome back to English virtual class. Now you take out your English practice book. In this book, we started the chapter comparative comparisons. In the previous video, I explained you about the comparisons, adjective, and the degrees, 3 degrees. Let's recap quickly what we learned in introduction. Introduction means the previous video in which I explained you everything. In that video, we learned about adjective. What is adjective? Words that describe noun or pronoun. That is the adjective. And adjective has 3 degrees. That is positive. Positive is used to describe only, not to compare. And in comparative, we use to compare two things, and in superlative degree used to compare more than two things. Now come to the chapter comparisons. Lesson 4. Write on homework and date. Because you are sitting at home, you will write homework. If you are when you will be in the class, then you will write classwork. So let's do the worksheet 1. Explorer Bernard Baigis undertook an expedition to the frozen lands of Siberia in the Arctic region. After coming back, he gives a real-life account of his experiences to his son, Harry. Given below is a letter that Harry has written to his best friend, Jamie. Read the letter with your partner and notice carefully how the underlined words have been used. Children, you are sitting at home and you are not having the partner. So you will read it carefully, you will check it carefully, check the words which are underlined. Now let's read this letter. Dear Jamie, I just cannot wait to share this with you. My daddy went to Siberia to dig out the most ancient creature that roamed the earth more than 20,000 years ago. This creature is called the woolly mammoth. Daddy says that it was even larger than the dinosaurs in size and older in existence. In fact, both of them were good friends. In the snow-covered lands in the Arctic, Daddy had to travel to the farthest corners with some other scientists to excavate the carcass of one of the biggest monsters. The ears of the monster were smaller than those of today's elephant. After the digging was over, a giant Russian helicopter lifted 23 lifted the frozen elephant. It was the heaviest cargo that it had ever lifted. Phew, 23 tons! Now the permafrost of the mammoth has been shifted into a deep cave. Hundreds of hair dryers are melting the permafrost to help the scientists to have a look at the giant monster with the longest jaws. Love, Harry. Children, you see the words underlined. Most ancient, larger, like most ancient, the most ancient. It means it is the superlative degree. Larger, why larger is used and than is written, it means the comparison is between the dinosaurs and mammoth, and the farthest again superlative degree were smaller than, it means this is used for the comparative degree. The biggest, it is superlative degree. The heaviest, superlative degree. Now children, here is given deep. No than is there, no the is there. It means it is simple positive degree. It is just describe the case. Now it is not the comparison. Same is here the longest. The longest is the superlative degree. Now let us do the exercise related to this letter. Now choose and tick the correct answer from those given in the brackets. First is the woolly mammoth is the dash animal that roamed the earth. So the is written and we can understand the dash. It is the most ancient. It is the superlative degree. Mammoths are dash in existence than the dinosaurs. Now here comparison is between mammoths and the dinosaurs. So which degree we have to use? Yes, superlative, sorry, comparative, that is older. Mammoths had dash tusks than those of today's elephants. So which degree? Than is there and the comparison is between mammoths and elephants. So comparative degree, that is longer. The Russian helicopter had lifted many loads earlier, but this one was the is there, so it means this is the superlative degree heaviest, the heaviest. The mammoth now rests in a dash cave where the permafrost around it is being melted. Now no comparison is there between two or more than two, so we will use simple positive degree, that is D. Come to the next page, children. Remember, you have to learn all these rules which I explained in the first video also. But I will read for you again. First is, most of the adjectives take ER for the comparative and EST for the superlative degrees. For example, old, older, oldest, far, farther, farthest. Second is, if the word ends in E, we add R and ST, like safe, safer, safest, large, larger, largest. If the word ends in consonant plus Y, we change Y to IER. You just see easy. S is the consonant. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. But if the word ends in vowel plus Y, we add ER and EST. It means we don't change Y into I. So grey, grayer, greyest. In the case of small words with a single consonant at the end, we double the consonant and add ER and EST. Like big, it's a small word and last is a consonant, G is a consonant. So we will double the consonant, big, bigger, biggest, hot, hotter, hottest. Number 5 is all the longer words take more for comparative and most for superlative degree of comparison. Like important, more important, most important, careful, more careful, and most careful. Come to the next. Work with your friends in groups of 4. Many children vote on the internet site www.indiachimes.com every day on various issues. Given below is the percentage of votes for and against a particular issue. Using the clues given alongside, compare the responses and complete the sentences. Now let's see. First is Campa Cola. 78% said yes and can't say 2% and no say 20%. Campa Cola is dash than Pepsi. Again, than is used, so it is the comparative degree. We will change the Y into IER because T is a consonant. So tastier. J.K. Rowling is a dash writer than Annie Blyton. Famous is the given, so we cannot use famouser, so we'll use more famous. Roshan can give a dash performance than Shah Alam, more powerful. Comics are the dash of all the books and magazines. The is there, so which degree? Superlative, funniest. Diamonds are dash than gold. Costly is there, comparative is there, and before Y is a consonant, so Y will change into IER, costlier. Come to the next, naughty comparisons. Children, you had done the naughty comparison in the previous video also, in which I told you that naughty, they don't follow any rule. There are some naughty comparisons. These words just do not follow any rules. You all know about these: good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, much, many, more. most like this. In worksheet 3, let's see. Rajat and Sonali have won a debate competition. They are throwing an ice cream party for their friends. Given below is the ice cream card of Dairy Fun by Quality Ice Cream. See it carefully. There are so many ice creams: Chocobar, bars, sticks, cups, cassata, Max biscuits, Cornetto, bricks. Now complete the conversation between Rajat and Sonali to decide the ice creams to be selected. Rajat is saying, I just don't believe that we have won. Sonali is saying, that's the dash thing. The is there, to which degree? Superlative. That is best thing that has happened to us this month. Rajat, the wait for the result was dash than anything worse. Now for the part B. Which ice cream would you like? I think bricks would be better. Good, better, best. So comparative is better. They'll cost less too. But what about orange bars? All my friends say that sticks are the is there again superlative best. They all enjoy eating them. I think orange bars are the dash. The again superlative worst. They hurt the throat. But we can't leave them out completely. We'll have less orange bars than cup. That's all right. But we'll also buy the new ice cream, Max biscuits. My dash friend, my best friend, says that they have the most wonderful taste one can think of. I would rather prefer chocolate cornetto cones. Aha, they are the most wanted. Now you are talking like my friend. So that's all for today, children. Your homework is learn exercise of worksheet 1, 2, and 3. Learn the rules also so that we can continue the next exercise in the next video. Thank you and enjoy your